Greetings, YouTube. Welcome to the Daily Dog Blog. It's 100 degrees in the shade. Cool dogs out and about. Earlier this morning, we heard some weird sounds out here. We made a video. We'll put that up one day. Probably not today. So I thought we'd make another little quick video and let you see if you see anything running around out there. If you see anything I missed, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And be sure to ring the bell for that cool dog. Wow, did you hear that? That was weird. But probably an animal. Right, so? Probably an animal.
There was a couple of bands out there where they really could have been like a complete.
What? What did I just hear? What the heck was that, cool dog? I ought to blast some Bigfoot sounds real loud to make cool dog trip. The last time I did that, she freaked out for 2 days, so I probably won't do that again. I hope that sound's picking up. Tell me, did the sound you just heard sound like the ants from Empire of the Ants? Just saying. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog. Be sure to let me know in the comments below if you actually saw anything I missed, which is highly unlikely in today's video. And until next time, this is Danny Staten. For that cool dog over there. Blog over, dudes.